I'm Franklin Joy D. Prangan. My last video is all about checking the qualities of egg and cooking of pouch egg. You can visit my channel by clicking my picture under this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What I will show you today in the video is about the stage of foam formation. So what is foam formation? A foam formation when small bubbles of gas are trapped in a solid or liquid. How is a foam produced? A foam is produced by trapping millions of tiny gas bubbles in a liquid or a solid. Eventually, the protein coating of the air pockets link together, making a foam. What are the four stages of egg foam formation? The first stage of foam formation is foamy to clarify. Foamy is the first stage of beaten egg white. The whites will have comparatively large bubbles. These bubbles are clear like the egg whites are as they come out of the shell. The fruity, foamy liquid will be free-moving and easy to pour. The second stage of egg foam formation is soft peaks. In the soft peak stage, the bubbles are smaller and the color whitens as the beating continues. When you leave the whisk or beaters, soft points will form and their peaks will round downwards. The mass will move easily around the bowl when it is tilted. The third stage of egg foam formation is stiff peaks. Stiff peaks, the texture is thicker and firmer, creating peaks that hold their shape and their points when lifting the whisk or beaters out of the whites. The whites have a glossy and moist look. The fourth stage of egg foam formation is dry peaks. Overbeaten and dry peaks. If egg whites are beaten too long, they enter the overbeaten stage. Stiff, dry peaks will form. Even though they are stiff, this white will not hold their shape. Instead, liquid will start to leak out within a fairly short period of time, and the white will collapse. Before I start making stage of foam formation, we first need to wear PPE on ourselves for safety. PPEs are hairnet or hairband, gloves, and apron. So let's go! The ingredients we need are 3 eggs, cream of tartar, sugar, and vanilla extract. The tools we need are mixing bowl, 1 cup measuring cup, an electric hand mixer. Procedure: first, separate the eggs. Make sure there is no strain of egg yolks remaining in the egg whites. In a mixing bowl, beat the egg whites over high speed. First stage, fruity. In this stage, you may now add a teaspoon of cream of tartar while beating. Continue beating while adding the cup of sugar, a quarter at a time. Second stage, soft peak. You may add a teaspoon of vanilla extract while continue beating. Do not stop beating until you reach stiff peak. Third stage, stiff peak. Perfect for a delicious cake. Fourth stage, dry over beaten. Remember, when you continue to beat the eggs after reaching the third stage, it will be over beaten or dry, which is not useful anymore. To the stage foam formation. Remember, the fourth stage of foam formation is first stage fruity, second stage soft peak, third stage stiff peak, and fourth stage dry peak. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.